So in this video, I'll guide you through how to buy, activate, and install an eSIM on Airalo. Perfect for staying connected while you travel. Let's get started. So first, open the Airalo app and sign up if you're new. Once you're in, search for the country or region you're traveling to. Then, pick a data plan that fits your need. Once you've selected a plan, tap on Buy and complete the payment. After that, you'll see an option to install the eSIM. Next, follow the prompts to install. You'll get an option to add the eSIM manually or automatically. Choose Add Cellular Plan in your phone's settings. Then follow any on-screen instructions to finish. After the installation, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data on your phone and select your new eSIM as the active data plan. Make sure to turn on your data roaming if needed. And that's it. Your Airalo eSIM is ready to use.